The question is asking for what reason the Arab nations or the Arab countries are showing so much enmity towards the Jama'ah. In such conditions, how can we convey the message of Ahmadiyyat to the Arab residing in the Arab countries?
The first answer is that Allah has granted us MTA, and through the agency of MTA we are reaching out to all the Arab world. And although they do not permit us to preach there directly, but they cannot frustrate the messages of God. So it is Tabligh Ahmadiyyat is raining upon them like showers from the heaven. And there is hardly a week when I do not receive a letter from even Saudi Arabia and many other Arab countries that we accept Ahmadiyyat, but we have not the courage to openly do so. But in the heart they have started sending salams on Hazrat Muslim Islam. And we have seen the fulfillment of the prophecy of Muslim Islam, that many will send or are sending salams upon me, but they do not reveal their personalities, their names and identities. So with the grace of Allah, the measures are taken not by us but by Allah to preach Ahmadiyyat to the Arab world. Again, Hazrat Muslim was told in Ilham, Yaduna laka abdalu min Sham. Yes,
Yusalluna alayka sulaha al-Arab abdal al-Sham.
Yes,
Yusalluna
alayka. एक यदुना भी है कहीं. यदुना भी है. Both.
Sulahul Arab wa Abdal al-Sham.
Sulahul Arab wa Abdal al-Sham. So most certainly there are Sulha among the Arabs and Abdal among the Syrians. There is no doubt about it. So inshallah the message is spread ultimately